Hey folks, thanks for tuning in again. Today I've got some mail. I got a package in the mail from Closet Child, one of my favorite secondhand Lolita shops. For the first time, one of my DHL packages got put on hold, and that made me very anxious for a few days, but it did show up, so if that happens to any of you, just be patient if it still has an estimated delivery date, that is. This is just going to be a quick and dirty video. I really wanted to open this ASAP, but I also wanted to get some content out. My other unboxing content seemed to have pretty good reception, so hope y'all like this. I haven't been buying a lot of Lolita recently, but I had a moment of weakness because I'm kind of a completionist when it comes to certain sets. And I've needed some matching accessories to wear with British Bear, as well as I've added navy to my wardrobe over the last year, and I really, really like it. I love like navy and blue. What? I love navy and sax, and I also really like navy and red, so hoping to do a lot more of those combos. The first thing I saw and absolutely needed immediately was the matching British Bear tote bag. I love when you have a cord and you have like a matching bag. Also, British Bear was one of my dream dresses. Getting the dress was a little bit tumultuous, but I have it, and it's a little bit damaged, but that's okay. I'm not a super perfectionist, as long as the listings are accurate and the price is right. And to go with British Bear and also a bunch of the other navy stuff I really like, I got this Cutsew shirt. It's navy, and it's got like a really pretty striped collar. Super excited to try all this stuff on. Today it was like the warmest it's been in my area in the longest time, so I put on a Happy Garden cord. I love bunnies and I love springtime, and I went out, had to take advantage of those sun rays. It was like 50 degrees, so basically summer in Massachusetts. This shirt is so cute. I'm so excited to wear it. It's got like pretty sturdy cotton lace cuffs and stuff, so we'll see how tight these are. It might be a little bit of a struggle to wear, but they have these like stretchy cuff things that you can put on buttons if they don't quite fit you. So I could put probably a button extender between these and get like maybe an inch back. This is so cute though. I'm really excited. It's got like these jewel buttons. Gotta love them. The chunky lace on the sleeve, and then some nice delicate lace here. I like mixing and matching laces, and I also love this like sturdy cross grain ribbon at the neck. Really pretty. I don't know when this release is from. It would probably be a little bit of a pain in the ass to look it up, but sometimes I get pretty obsessive about the collection, so maybe next time I'm doing a wardrobe post I will go through and actually figure out where this is from. Or if I'm selling it, which at this moment I honestly can't imagine. And the British Bear tote. I don't usually wear tote bags, but like I said, I really like to have a matching bag, so if I feel like I don't ever have like a good matching accessory, this is a good way to fix that, even with a tote. Usually when I'm cording British Bear, I do so with just like black or white, so this will be nice to actually elevate my cords. I can do something else if I can just have a bag that matches the dress perfectly. And we'll probably wear this navy blouse with British Bear, because British Bear has this nice navy stripe going throughout. Now to go put on a cord. This is by far one of my favorite British Bear cords ever. Also, pro tip for cord picks: if you're not going anywhere, you don't want your bag to look deflated when you take pictures, so putting something in there, not anything too bulky, can help. One thing that I didn't notice initially when opening the blouse is that the bib collar here is actually removable. I don't button them all the way because I'm kind of lazy, and you can usually just tuck it in the shirt and it never pops out. I love these kind of collars so much because you can actually mix and match them with different blouses and put them on blouses that don't even come with these. As long as it's got a couple buttons, you can use safety pins for these sides if the blouse you're putting it on doesn't actually have the buttons for it. It's nice. It can help like elevate your cords a little bit if you're trying to mix a bunch of colors in and you don't have like blouses that are multicolored. Now let me see if I can rig this camera to get a full shot. Close, we're close. We're so close. Thanks for tuning in again, folks, and for those who made it to the end, a special thank you. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this, and you're looking out for more Lolita content. Bye!